guys, what's up? It's your girl Maya the stylist, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make an easy and quick thumbnail for your YouTube channels and your videos. So the first thing you want to start off is by going to Safari, Chrome, Google, and you're going to select a picture you might like for your background of the thumbnail. I'm choosing a YouTube picture background. So this is the easiest way, you guys. If you want a more advanced way of doing thumbnails, just let me know down below in the comments. But this is easy and quick. It really takes only like 3 minutes to make. So I'm just looking for a good picture I might like. I think I chose 2 or 3, but I'll only use 1. Find a picture, you're gonna hold it and you're gonna add it to photos, and then you just go to your photo album and check that it's there. That's the one I'm going to be using. And then you want to download this app called Phonto, Phonto, in your Apple store. You're going to open it up and you're just going to click on plain image. I'm going to use a basic white background image, but you can choose whatever color you like that they offer. It's free. So you're going to click on it, and then we got to change the dimension. So you got to click on the numbers above, and I select the iPhone XR. Just make sure whatever you choose that it fit in the YouTube thumbnail. If not, you're just going to have to resize it or start all over. So make sure you click on the right hand corner and click use. And now you're going to add the picture from your photo album. This is the picture. And I'm just going to do the decorations like text and whatever else you might like on it. So right now I'm just resizing the image from the photo album. Make sure you save it, because if a pop-up, you have to disclose that app and go back to the Phonto app. So that's what happened to me, but luckily I had saved my image. But when you get to the Phonto app, you can click on previous photo, and it can pull up the picture that you was working on. But I was already finished, so I just select it. After I resized it, I select it. And now I'm about to add the text. okay, you want to save that image to your photo album. I did save it, but I feel like I wanted my thumbnail a little smaller, so I added my thumbnail on another white background. The same steps we did before, I just making my thumbnail smaller.